Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video, I will show you how to easily remove friends in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So we have our image over here. Select your brush tool, reduce the brush size. So press the left bracket key to reduce the brush size. So let's go with 15. Now zoom in and then check this thing over here. Okay, so when you left click once over here and then place your mouse here, hold down the shift key and left click once again, it will make the selection for you. So now we are going to make the selection of the friends over here. So I will be speeding this part of the video. Okay, so when you are done with the selection, uncheck this thing once again so it will create a selection for you. Now that the selection has been created, just go to select and invert the selection. After inverting the selection, just right click over here and select remove tool. Just right click and then select the remove tool. So use your right bracket key to increase the size of the brush and then just paint over the selection. Now let's wait for Photoshop to do its magic. Perfect. Now press Ctrl D to deselect. So now Photoshop has done its magic and then everything is looking good. You've been able to remove the friends over here, but then there are some small mistakes over here. So select the remove tool again. Use your left bracket key to reduce the size of the brush and then let's correct this side. Yeah, so just correct this side. And then we are good to go. Okay guys, so this is how to easily remove friends in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and then haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.